Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Realme smartphone. Firstly, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now select this icon at the bottom right corner and select Got It. After that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose Event from here. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour. If you wish to, you can also turn off this feature by clicking on this switcher here. Then select Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Then you need to click on Add People. And if you wish to add schedules of them, then select Add Location here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, take notes and even add attachments. When you're ready, change color to the best one and tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, then select pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. After that, you need to select Save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!